Hello, today we will learn how to install Replaying Bot to our website. Well, we need to find the Replaying Bot in Telegram, sorry, or it's written on the replaying.cc website, how to install. Here's the link. And if you don't have the Telegram application, you need to install it first. And after that, you need to find the Replaying Bot. Well, what do we have? Connect website. Click. Let's connect. Please name it. What is the name of our website? I will make it on my funny subway maps website. Let's name it altmetromap.com site. Hop. Too long. Okay, let's make it shorter. Altmetromap. I think that's enough. Yes, that's enough. Enter description. Okay. Alternative. Funny subway maps. Subway maps. Okay. Start message. Hi, how can I help you? After that, we need to choose the language. I will choose the English. Okay, here are some instructions, but I will install it manually. Here's the code. Well, copy that code, and using the FTP manager, we need to place it on our website. Open index.html, and we need to place it right after the head tag. Save it, close the file, okay, finish, okay, upload, and let's check. Here is our website, altmetromap.com, and yeah, here it is. Let's try to write a message to myself. Hi, I am lost. Help me. Oop. Here it is. I get the message. I am lost. Help me. It works. Okay. Hi, don't worry. Yeah. And that's the way that I can help my users. Thank you very much and goodbye.